Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Shafira Karmilana. I am from class 10A. Today I would like to tell you a procedure text about sports and healthy life. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is necessary for our overall well-being. Without maintaining a healthy lifestyle and good habits, it could affect our physical and mental health. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle isn't only about eating healthy food, but it's more than that. There are a few steps. 1. Eating a balanced diet. Start with eating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and start eating more protein. And try to eat less sugary and processed foods. Second, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and limited sugar drinks. Third, exercise regularly. Move your body for 75 to 155 minutes a week. Choose activities that you feel comfortable doing, you enjoy doing. Fourth, sleep well and make sure you get 7 to 9 hours of sleep. And don't forget to not use your device while going to bed. 5. Manage stress. Try meditation, yoga, or anything that relaxes you, like for example, reading or even drawing. 6. Think positively. First, practice gratitude, focus on good things, and spend your time with very positive people. And maybe seek help from friends and even family. That's all I can say for this procedure text. I hope it's useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.